Here I have SONY Xperia XZ2 Compact, and let me show you how to reset up preferences on the following phone. So at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen. Here you have to find and select the apps icon, then choose settings, scroll down and select system. Right here you have to select the reset and select reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restriction for apps, and of course any permission restrictions. What's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of the consequences of this operation, let's choose the reset apps button. That's it, you just reset app preferences, you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.